Title of the video, you already know what's up. You can see garage back empty, garage back clean. About to go on the first official drive for the new kit. I already drove it a couple times. I've already been having fun with it, but I just been shaking it down, you know, making sure everything works good. And yeah, I'm about to go put some G35 in there right now. That boy delivering in the Jetta. Respect, bro. I used to do DoorDash in my 240. Here's the car. Good. Looking good. Oh, actually, let's get a cold start. The just turbo back all the way to this single exit right here. It's basically just an eBay single exit. I've been dealing with that belt squeal for months now. It's just annoying. Oh yeah, that is with the silencer, because y'all see that, right? Oh my god, bro. If I wasn't at home, I'd be fucked. Painting my stock wheels to put on my my little cousin's Honda. Yeah, about to get his car looking right. Just got his car. You know, little improvements, you know, make a big difference for a daily driver. I didn't think it sounded good, like the actual exhaust. The open dumps are always gonna sound the same just because they're open dumps for the wastegates, but the turbo is not loud either, like at all. But that's probably because I'm only running 3 PSI right now. The reason why I'm only running 3 PSI right now is just because I'm not tuned for this kit. I'm tuned for the rear mount kit, so the calibration is probably a little bit off just because the turbo's spooling a lot sooner since it's up closer. But I mean, in terms of like the top end, like I'm still tuned for boost on like the top end, like 5K plus. So I have a little bit of an exhaust leak, but I'm not worried about it. So it kind of peaks at 4-ish, like it touches 4 a little bit, but I think that's just because my wastegates are a little small. What type of bullshit, man? Not it, bro. It's not it. One of the next videos is gonna be me fixing this, I think, most likely. Yeah, you can see the intercooler doesn't get a lot of airflow, so in the future I'm thinking of go doing a methanol injection, doing like a meth setup. Shit, getting the exclusive. I love to see a happy family, bro. Right now, until everything gets to operating temp, because I be seeing people when that needle right there gets to the middle for the coolant temp, I just be start dogging that shit. Like, nah, bro, you gotta relatively high compression on a boosted setup. Yeah, make sure everything gets to operating temp. Don't play around with that. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna cruise right now with the windows up, just cause I mean the sunroof is open, but I think that's negligible. Not too much louder than my rear mount setup. My rear mount setup had 1 muffler also. Actually, scratch that. No, technically my rear mount setup and the setup has 2 mufflers. They're just like straight through glass pack mufflers. Trying to have this car on stealth mode until you hear the gates open up. So now I'm gonna cruise it with the windows open. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. Us a little something right there. You got them little scratches on the fucking the headlights, little AutoZone scratches. My tires are pretty shitty on this car. Just pretty cheap. I usually don't drive dumb, but trying to get some content, you know. It seems like the muscle boys, they don't want to play with this 3 PSI right now. Yo, everybody a weirdo around here, swear to God, man. That's why I don't like to come outside. The special, bro. Hoonigan. I'll get something proper going in the video later. I don't know if I want to start running people without my retune. Might as well just wait for that. I'm not in a rush to retune it just because the car is running fine. It's a lot more simple than you think it is. It's just a lot, it's really time consuming, and you gotta have a lot of patience, and it's a lot of grinding, especially if you don't have fancy tools. You don't need fancy tools to do this stuff too either. You just gotta know what you're doing. Make sure you actually really know what you're doing. Like if someone asks you a question about the kit, you really need to be able to answer it, because if you can't, then you probably don't know what you're doing unless the question doesn't make sense. And then just all you need really is a welder, a grinder, sawzall, basic hand tools, extensions, maybe like swivel sockets, or like the little pivot, what is it, the little, you know, it has the little pivot. You hear that dog barking? Yeah, he knows. Yeah, he knows. He's like stay away. Stay away.
You know, stay away.
For real.
Stay away.